In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Flattening turns all those interactive elements like comments, stamps, highlights, and form fields into a single, uneditable layer. This is great when you need to lock in final changes, prevent accidental edits, or make sure your file looks identical on any device. One quick tip before we start. Consider keeping a backup of your original PDF in case you need to revisit the editable version later. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. With your PDF open, we'll use the print workflow to create a flattened copy. Head to the top left corner. On Windows, click the Menu button. On Mac, click File. Choose Print from the menu. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the print dialog right away. In the print dialog, look for the Printer drop-down. Change the output to Adobe PDF, or if that's not available on your system, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Either choice will generate a new PDF from the printed output, which is the key to flattening. This doesn't send anything to a physical printer, it simply creates a fresh file based on how the document would print. Next, find the section labeled Comments and Forms in the print dialog. This controls whether Acrobat includes or ignores annotations and form data in the output. Open that drop-down and select Document and Markups. This setting tells Acrobat to include your comments, stamps, highlights, and signatures in the printed result, effectively baking them into the page. Once flattened, these items become part of the page artwork and can't be moved or edited, which is exactly what we want for a finalized file. When you're ready, click Print. Instead of printing, Acrobat will prompt you to save the new PDF. Type a new title so you don't overwrite the original. Adding something like flattened to the file name is a helpful convention, and choose a folder location you'll remember. Then confirm to save. That's it. You now have a flattened PDF that preserves your annotations and signatures exactly as you see them. Remember, flattening is ideal for sharing, archiving, and ensuring consistent display across platforms. If you anticipate future edits, work from your original copy. Use the flattened one for distribution. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you finalize your PDFs with confidence.